I just want to be clear, you do not need to remove the factory engine cover. The only reason I was removing it in this video is because I was installing another product. But you do have to remove the factory airbox. So there's a clamp on top, a clamp on bottom of this little elbow, then there's a mass airflow sensor. Once you get those out of the way, the airbox will literally pop up out of the way, and once you get it out of the way, that's how you can install the new air intake. You do want to get the rubber elbow off, and I'm going to show you. Basically, you have to flip the elbow up. There's a pinch clamp that needs to be removed. What I ended up doing was just taking a hammer and a flathead screwdriver, and you just tap the little tab that goes over the locking part and pop that right off, pull it out, and you can get the plastic portion out of the way. And then this bracket needs to be removed. What we're going to do is we're going to leave the one bolt in, spin the bracket. The bracket's now going to be used to hold the heat shield for the cold air intake. This is a very easy installation, and not only do I have a version for the 1.5, I also have the 2.0. It's a little bit different, but the 2.0 and the 1.5 kind of look the same. Basically, once you have the heat shield mounted, now you just have to put in the actual air intake portion. You're going to put in your mass airflow sensor. This usually comes pre-made. You have to throw the filter on, then you're going to drop it in place. You're going to mount it to the elbow that's right on the turbocharger, and then it's going to make some badass noises. The other thing I did in this video was I also installed the PCV reroute. That was the reason I took the engine cover off, and the PCV reroute helps with the intercooler icing up and the oil getting dumped in the intercooler, which also makes the throttle body dirty, gunks up spark plugs. There's a lot of other issues, and that's why I make this PCV reroute. So the reroute fixes a lot of problems. So at the same time, when I was putting this intake in, I was also putting the reroute in on this vehicle. And I want to thank Ryan for helping me out, but he's got a really nice truck, and I think this came out really nice, and I just wanted to show off the new Equinox products for everybody at supercruises.com.